All right, y'all. So I decided to try out this clear kayak photo shoot, and I wanted to come here and tell y'all what you need to know before you go. Aruba! Everybody was so nice. I was welcomed with a nice homemade tea drink, and then he paddle boarded me into the water because he wanted the more green and, bluish water instead of like the gray area you see here where they were doing paddleboard yoga, and then proceeded to get me comfortable in the kayak and then explain how everything was going to go and then start to instruct me pretty much on what to do. See, I'm a poser, so I already came with my poses in mind, but he was really helpful in giving me ideas. Your photo shoot is actually only 15 minutes long, but trust me, in the hot sun, you'll wish it was shorter. The instructions were clear, they help you, they make sure you feel safe. I did not know how to swim, and as you can see, I did not drown. After extensive research, I decided to go with Island Cabana because it was just the best quality that I saw, and it was about $350 per person. The drone was recording for most of the time, so you get about 15 minutes worth of footage in slow-mo. They also have a couple's kayak, but if you're really considering this, I say just book it and do it. You only live once. Enjoy!